You know that feeling? The clock starts ticking, pages flip all around you, and your brain is a blank, static-filled screen. Total system failure. Meanwhile, the person next to you is already on page 2, and that little voice in your head whispers, "Idiot." But what if I told you it's not your fault, that you've just been studying wrong? Rereading, highlighting, copying notes? It's all a waste of time. It's busy work for your brain that leads to exactly nothing. Stop the madness. Today, you learn the one technique that will wire information directly into your skull. And stick around, because somewhere in the middle of this video, I'm dropping a secret bonus hack for when you're completely out of time and totally desperate. Let's get to it. The technique is called active recall. Yeah, you might have heard the name, but you're probably doing it wrong. This isn't just study advice, it's neuroscience. It's the difference between a blank stare and a top-of-the-class grade. The core is simple. Learn, close, retrieve. Check, fix, repeat. Your goal isn't to input pages, it's to output answers from your naked brain. No peeking. But how? Don't worry, I've got you. Here are 9 powerful ways to do it. 1. The brain dump. Set a timer and unload everything you know onto paper. No filtering, no cheating. This reveals what's actually in your head, not what you wish was there. 2. Teach it out loud. Explain the concept to an imaginary, curious friend. If you stall or invent nonsense, you've found a critical gap. Fix it now before the exam finds it for you. 3. Closed book summary. Write 3 tight paragraphs purely from memory. Then, open your source and circle every error in red. Rewrite it correctly to show your brain what right looks like. 4. DIY Q&A. Write 10 challenging test questions. Later, close all materials and answer them cold. Where you struggle, mark it as a weak spot and attack it with focused practice tomorrow. 5. Flashcards. Done right. 1 fact or step per card. Answer verbally or in writing before you flip. Use a spaced repetition app to schedule your reviews automatically. Bonus tip. Get help when you're out of time. Let me say it straight. Sometimes you're too behind to fix it alone. That's where I come in. I help students pass entire courses, math, programming, essays, exams, even full projects. And all the proof is in my Discord. If your deadline's close and you're drowning, I can help you pull it off and walk out with a 90% plus. Contact info is in the description, or join the Discord if you want extra tools and support. 6. The one-page cheat sheet. Compress an entire topic onto a single page from memory. Focus on big ideas, key formulas, steps, and common traps. If you can't fit it, your understanding needs simplifying. 7. Past paper exam. Do a full past exam under real-time pressure. Grade yourself ruthlessly. For every mistake, write a 1-line strategy to fix it. Then practice those specific weak spots. 8. The exam day dump. The second the test is in front of you, before reading any questions, dump all the essential information onto scrap paper. This is your personal cheat sheet, created under pressure to prevent blanking out. 9. Record and retrieve. Record yourself answering key questions. Wait 24 to 48 hours, then listen back, pausing to answer from memory again. Re-record any answers you stumble on to solidify the knowledge. This is how you win. Want more? Subscribe for clear, honest, no BS tips that actually help you pass. And if you're stuck right now with math, coding, or assignments you can't finish, don't just sit there. Reach out. I've helped hundreds of students go from failing to A- and better. And all the proof is in the Discord, so feel free to check it out. Links is in the description. You could be next. Let's get to work.